Hey guys, it's your girl Lakia Maria and welcome to another video here on the channel. Whether you're new to the channel or an OG, I primarily share planning and organizational videos, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys what's in my pencil case. How appropriate is it that I'm sharing this as we are in the whole back to school season? I am years far removed from going back to school, but as a planner girl, I like to have essentials with me on the go. So I have a huge planner bag. I'll link that video down below, and I'm also downsizing a lot in my planner stash. In 2020, when, the whole pandemic was happening, I really got back into memory planning and buying a lot more stickers. But when it comes to my functional planning, I always keep reverting back to a grid type of notebook in one shape or form. This is a standard size from Ali Reyes. I'll have this one linked down below, and I'm just using it literally as a brain dump notebook. And if I want to journal inside of here, I have the flexibility to do that too. So that's where I'm at as far as planning. So what I want to bring with me on the go, I had this case here. I believe I got this from Michael's. And I have these markers. They're like Statler dupes. If they're available on Amazon, I will link them. They were sent to me for review ages ago. So I'm going to go through and see what colors I want to put inside of here. And then, of course, my favorite pen of all is the Sharpie S-Gel. You can also get this one on Amazon, and this is the 0.7, and I believe these are more of a finer point, so I'd say these are more like a point. If this is a 0.75, these may be a 0.3. They say 0.45, so I don't know if that is the actual number of point that they are, but they are definitely more of a finer point, as you can see, much more of a finer point. And then here is this Sharpie S-Gel again, and I typically only write in black ink, so this is going to be interesting, adding some more color to my planner, notebook, whatever you want to call it. So the pencil case that I'm going to go with is this one from Amazon. And then I have all of these sticky notes from Cloth and Paper. We'll see how many of those will make it into the bag. I also have this bag as a backup. And then I have this big one from this big list pad from Target. And then this one was from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree does have a variety of stationery items that you may find useful if you're looking to stay on a budget. Even though Dollar Tree is a $1.25 tree now, still affordable. So this pencil case is mesh, and I got the color lavender. I should have got yellow, but the lavender happened to be cheaper, and the cheaper side of me was like, just go get the cheaper one. But I could have just got the yellow one. It is mesh. It does not open up. The other one that I saw did open up, and I found it funny that some people, for some of these pencil cases, they were writing bad reviews, not on the quality of the bag, but because they thought the bag was going to come with actual supplies when the title just says pencil case. Excuse them for showing you how it can be used. I just thought that was funny. Alright, so colors that I will actually use. I don't know if I want to put the pencil, well, the pens on the outside. I very well might, because how often am I really going to be, going and using all these cool colors? So realistically, colors that I would use would be the darker ones. So this darker green would get some love. The purple, the pink. I actually might go with two greens. Green is becoming like my favorite color. I'll throw yellow into the mix. Could all of these fit inside of the bag? Absolutely. But I'm trying to see how many I can fit on the outside first, and then put the supplies inside. This way I can consolidate as much as possible. So I have written with this one inside of the notebook and I don't really like it. So I'm going to go with the darker brown. And then I think that's it. I think we're just going to go with all the darker options with the one yellow being the lighter option. And then if I want to swap it out, it's not like I'm throwing them away. So that fits pretty comfortably, and I added in my gray mild liner. All right, now on the inside, only thing is that I wish that these had like little hooks like these. So these may end up going on the inside because I don't like, I'm like trying to open the bag now. And it's like, I don't know. Let's put the sticky notes in first. The big list pad, I don't really care about putting inside. It's really just the sticky notes. So these I'm going to put back into my bag for now. And then the other thing that I'm adding that could very well go on the outside are these clips. I got these from Amazon as well. And these are good for holding the notebook open, as you can see there. So I'm going to throw that in. My whiteout. This is the Tombow. This is also from Amazon. And then my washi tape, which I use quite a bit. I only have 2. I think I got these from Hobby Lobby. But I used to have a hell of a lot of washi tape. I've gone through phases of planning. I have gone through many phases. So let me just fix this. And then this is going to go into, ew, it's a sticker. This is going to go in. And then lastly, my mini scissors, which are just always great to have on hand. And I think we're good. I think we're good. Like literally that's it. And there is my pencil case, and I can see what's inside on both sides. I don't want to get anything too big. The only thing I am worried about is that if I put this in my bag, what are the chances of, you know, the markers falling out? Right now I'm holding it upside down and everything, so it's so far so good. So maybe it'll just work out where they're not falling out, but if they do, then I'll just reconfigure some things. But for now, this is my pencil case. The pencil case and majority of the accessories are from Amazon. You can check out my Amazon storefront linked below. Cloth and paper is where I got the sticky notes. The mini scissors, I actually think I got those from Dollar Tree, and washi tape you can also find on Amazon or check your local craft store. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Be sure to leave a comment down below. We'll love to chat with you more there. Again, check out all the links in the description box for more information on anything I featured in this video, plus so much more. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe. Bye, guys.